The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Starting out the afternoon, nice and calm here at home. A completely different story, though, as you head toward parts of the northern plains and the Rockies. You see the orange there, a blizzard warning, the pink winter storm warnings up that way. Then you head farther to the south, the deep south, and you see severe thunderstorms. That storm system heading in our direction, but it's not going to give us a blizzard. It's not going to give us severe thunderstorms. It's going to start out by bringing us rain tomorrow afternoon, just plain rain at that point. However, as we start to see some colder air getting wedged in at the surface and warm, moist air rides above that, you do see the potential for some pockets of freezing rain. And this is heading into the morning commute time on Thursday. There you see that in the pink, especially areas along and to the west of the Blue Ridge Parkway by around 6, 7, 8 o'clock on Thursday morning. Meanwhile, Martinsville, Smith Mountain Lake, Danville, South Boston, you're mainly just dealing with a cold rain at times throughout the day Thursday. This is not going to be a long-lasting kind of event, so I don't see it being a crippling ice storm, but it will be inconvenient at times through the middle of the day. Again, that turning a little more patchy for the NRV and the Roanoke Valley, whereas parts of the highlands north of Interstate 64 continue to see some periods of ice. By the evening commute Thursday, most of us above freezing and most of us are dry. So the bulk of ice accumulation, 1/10 of an inch or more, is going to be in parts of Floyd County and Bent Mountain. You also see that near into the north of Interstate 64. A glaze up to 1/10 of an inch. That's going to be east of Interstate 77 in the New River Valley, parts of the Roanoke Valley, Bedford County, and perhaps as far south as Lynchburg. So what this means for us is that we'll see some slippery conditions on some area roads heading into Thursday morning. So that may result in some schedule changes for area schools. But as far as power outages, those are going to be few and far between. Regardless, impactful but not crippling. Make sure that you're staying connected with us by downloading our weather app. Let's focus on the right here, right now. It's not quite as bright as it was at this point yesterday. Unfortunately, more clouds from our Virginia Tech Carillion Skycam in Roanoke, where we're currently at 40 degrees. Covington's at 38. Danville, South Boston, you're at 42 degrees. So kind of sets the mood for Illuminites or maybe checking out some neighborhood Christmas displays. 5 p.m., we're at about 43 in the Roanoke Valley. We'll be at about 36 at 9 p.m. Tomorrow morning, upper 20s and lower 30s with similar afternoon temperatures to what we see out there today. Most of us about 43 to 48 degrees. We're chilly with afternoon rain again tomorrow. That is just going to be plain old rain. By Thursday morning, that changes for parts of the area where, again, we start out with some periods of freezing rain, changing over to rain before eventually drying out in time for the evening commute on Thursday. Friday's noticeably warmer with a high of about 50 in the Roanoke Valley, but we do turn quite chilly heading into the weekend. 30s and 40s for high temperatures, 20s for low temperatures, but will at least be dry. And all indications showing the temperatures are going to be cooler than average as we get closer to Christmas Day. It's impossible to tell if it's going to be a white Christmas because
so stop asking.
It's 12 days away. It is 12 days away. So, you know, I can tell you one thing today and it'll be completely different tomorrow.
Yeah, and I know a lot of people always talk about wanting a white Christmas, but let's remember the roads aren't so friendly when it is a white Christmas. If you're trying to get somewhere, but we know that you guys are tracking everything, so we'll...
Exactly, and you know, it's a romantic kind of thing because Bing Crosby was dreaming about it. There's a song about it, but there's some real life stuff that happens still on Christmas.
Yes, and I know that as soon as you guys know and are comfortable and confident, you know, not 12 days out.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, thank you, Chris.